This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Placing Components panel onto the schematic. When Altium Designer is connected to a workspace, the Components panel will list all components available for use in a project design. From this workspace, for such components, the Components panel supports the same search features that are available in the manufacturer part search panel, including string-based searching, faceted searching, or combination of both, and also the Find Similar Components feature. Now, to open the Components panel, click the Panels button at the bottom right of the application window and select Components from the menu. The Panels category pane, or the drop-down menu in Panels compact mode, lists available workspace library component under the All category entry. When the panel is in its normal mode, click the Categories List icon or the icon to collapse or expand the display of the list. The structure of categories reflects components types currently defined on the connected workspace, wherein use the data management component types of page of the preferences dialog for viewing and managing component types. To place a component from the panel, you can click the Place button in the Components Details pane. Then, the cursor will automatically move to be within the bounds of the schematic sheet and the component appears floating on the cursor. Now, position it and click to place. After placing the component, another instance of the same component will appear on the cursor. Right-click to drop out of the placement mode. Then, right-click again on the component and select Place from Context menu. The component appears floating on the cursor, position it and click to place. Now note that if the panel is floating over the design space, it will just fade to allow you to see the schematic and place the component. After placing a component, another instance of the same component will appear on the cursor. Now right-click to drop out of the placement mode. Lastly, click, hold, and drag. Click and drag the component from the grid region of the panel onto a schematic sheet. This mode requires the cursor is held down, the component is placed when the cursor is released. Using this technique only, one component is placed. After placing the component, you are free to select another component or another command.
Audio Jungle.